नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the Sarvangyapita Yajamans, Nitya Satsangis, Shri Mahants, Mahants, Kotaris, Tanedars, devotees, disciples, visitors, YouTube subscribers and viewers who are sitting with us all over the world. At this time through Nityananda TV, Facebook Live and YouTube Live, two-way video conferencing, having Nayana Diksha, cities sitting with us, long lists. So I welcome all of you with my love and respects for this Nitya Satsang. After a big gap, we are restarting Nitya Satsang. I should say, just like if you move from one country to another country, how you have a jet lag. When I am downloading this whole Aushadha science from Kailasa, it is literally like a moving from one dimension to another dimension. I have this dimension lag. Last few days especially, continuously, that one of the very important Aushadha, I should say that this is going to be one of my important contribution to the world. And let me introduce it properly. As usual, this is another one, huge nuclear bomb, and maybe actually I thought I will not even announce, I will work and make the Aushadha happen and do enough of scientific studies, then reveal it to the world after 2 years. But I wanted to put this on record. Aushadha for immortality is getting downloaded. And reversing the aging process, for that the Aushadha required, that science and that software is getting downloaded. So this much I am putting it on record. Let everything else be revealed after thorough study and research. See, sometime between 2005 and 6, this whole science of awakening the third eye and manifesting the powers downloaded into the system and started expressing. Unfortunately, we did not have Nitya Satsang in those days, so it did not get recorded which was the day it completely got downloaded. But I do not want to miss now whatever is getting downloaded. See, at that time I felt like, even if it is downloaded, first let it express and let the people experience. Then we will tell the world. What is the need to tell now? People will laugh and make fun, joke. But now, after that power is established non-controversially for children and adults and balasans and for everyone. Yesterday a child came for healing. I just touched the third eye and awakened the third eye maybe within few seconds, and the child started reading. See, now we missed an important historical information when the exact date that software was available to the planet Earth. It is an historical information we missed. I should have at least put it on record. Even if I don't claim big things, I should put this on record. So later on, when we do research, we will know precisely what was the date that science was made available to planet Earth. See, when this Aushadha is going to be working on people, and when we are going to be demonstrating the anti-aging process or reversing the aging process or immortality, all that now it will unfold. But today formally I am declaring the Aushadha for immortality is downloaded into this body already, and it is going to manifest. The whole software and the whole science is now available, and it is going to manifest. It is going to be expressed. Now we are going to do all the work. First of all, collecting all the things needed, and then programming them, and energizing and processing, and then doing the medical trials, clinical trials. So many things will start happening. But I don't want to feel just like how we missed the historical information, the date precisely when this third eye science was completely downloaded into my system and available for the Bhuloka, means this plane. That is such an important historical information we lost. So I don't want that to happen for the further sciences. That's the reason I am putting it on record. All these days, I was not physically available at particular time because my body was going through a different biological clock, and it was downloading, and by Sadashiva's grace, successfully downloaded the Aushadha for immortality. Aushadha for immortality. And soon, very soon, we will make not only the Aushadha, we will start all the clinical studies, medical researches. I do request people who are in this field working, spending billions of dollars on research and development and clinical trials. I am not asking you money. If you guys come and spend a little time and ready to study the whole thing impartially, I'll be happy to share this science with the whole world, with the whole humanity. As per the Hindu tradition, I should say as per the reality, time is also a matter, subtle but matter. If you can handle your hand, you can handle your brain. If you can handle your brain, you can handle your mind. If you can handle your mind, you can handle time. Subtle, but matter. Time is matter. It's not consciousness. So consciousness can handle matter. Consciousness can handle matter. I think Adinavasis are going to be the guinea pigs for this immortality. Aushadha and get ready to enjoy. Of course, first I will use it on me, only then I will give it to you guys, because I always do that, try it out on me. So all the risks are with me, and with this traditional herbs, one good thing is there is no risk. And it is also downloaded in a very format where you don't need to clinically take in. It doesn't need to be sent inside your body. It is more of three ways. Like a cream need to be applied on the body, and like certain smell need to be generated. So it is not that you need to take in through orally or into the body. So there is no risk. Let's first get it out and do all the trials, medical things needed. Then we will share it with the world. Now it is too early to share more details. Let this much be on record. The Aushadha for immortality, the whole science and the software is now available for planet Earth. Now it's my responsibility to make it as user friendly and making it available to the world as easily as possible and as comfortably as possible, making it accessible to the world, where people can see the benefits, people can live it, people can use it. That's my responsibility now. With Sadashiva's grace, I think we will be able to do it. We will be able to do it. And I also wanted to go to 7 different places in India and prepare the various Aushadhas which is needed for Mahasadashivoham. We will be doing live relay of Aushadha processes at various places. One in Amarkantak, the various other places where the Aushadha need to be processed within few seconds of it being removed from the plant. Within 21 seconds, the process should start. So those kind of Aushadha preparation, I need to go to the place where the herb is available, and we are tracing those places, and all that soon will come live in Nityananda TV. You can enjoy how the Aushadha process making